This is going to blow your mind. An antique typewriter hiding mysterious messages? You've got to hear this. When Jenna inherited her grandma's antique typewriter, she thought it was just a cool vintage keepsake. But then, as she started typing, something strange happened. Hidden between the lines of her own words were messages she didn't write at first. It was just a word here and there, but soon, full sentences began to appear, like ghostly whispers from the past. Messages that seemed to know things about Jenna's life, as things only her grandma would know. Curiosity turned into obsession as Jenna tried to uncover the meaning behind these cryptic notes. Who was sending them? And more importantly, why? Just as she was about to give up, a final message appeared, one that changed everything. Find the hidden key, Jenna. But where could this key be, and what secrets will it unlock? Stay tuned, because this mystery is just getting started.